Well, hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox our new iPad setup. So let's start. See then, this is the iPad Air 11-inch M3, which is Wi-Fi plus cellular. Here we have some manuals and instructions that nobody reads, and we got our charging brick. At least they are giving us charging bricks in the iPads. Thank you, Apple. More things. So I'm gonna turn it on. There's a fingerprint sensor, some speaker grills in the side, and all the four sides. There's a USB-C port, and this is a magnet where you attach your pencil. Done with our iPad. So let's look at our Magic Keyboard, which is in white. Let's peel it off. And so we have some wrapping. Look at this aluminum frame and this smooth finish. I believe this is leather. And look at the keyboards. So it has some brightness controls, searching, and speaker controls too. It has a trackpad, and there's where you can connect your iPad to, like this. Damn, look at that. This feels premium. Let's unbox our Apple Pencil. Let's peel this way off. We got a manual here and Apple Pencil. So I'm gonna stick it right here, and this is how it looks right now. We also got a cover. So I'm just gonna peel it off, and this is how it looks right now. So we'll take the iPad and plug it in our cover and put it right here. So this was our unboxing. Thank you for watching our video.